So rather than seeing us on TV, you're going to be seeing us on YouTube. So some of you have been wondering where we've gone, because apparently we're not on TV anymore with season 10. We were supposed to do season 10, but well, we didn't get canceled. Motortrend got canceled, and they were the broadcaster that had commissioned the show, so well, with them gone, no new show. That said, we're going over onto YouTube, so it's going to be all the same guys, lots of new projects, lots of stuff to see. Not only are we not on TV on Motortrend anymore, but we're also not in the same location anymore. In the hiatus, when we weren't shooting season 10, well, we moved. So come on into the new shop. If you look around, yeah, it looks a little untidy because we're not completely organized yet, and we've been here for a while. We were just getting organized and we had a fire. That was fun. So rather than seeing us on TV, you're going to be seeing us on YouTube. We've got a YouTube station that we're firing up. We're going to cover off all the same kind of material. We can do a little more now than we can on broadcast TV. Doesn't mean you're going to get to hear Ron unedited when he goes F about almost everything he's working on, but you will be going a little deeper into some of the work we do, some of the problems we face, some of the customer we've got. Should be fun. Well, I hope it's going to be fun. Might not be fun for me. I'm sure it's going to be fun for you guys.